Hi everyone! Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Russell again, RJ for short. Muli tayong nagbabalik kay YouTube. I am very sorry guys kung natagalan yung next video upload natin, which is just today. I have been busy with a lot of things, work, clients, business. Yes guys, I started my business and pa-support na rin guys, segue ko na rin dito sa video. Please support my Centify online store. Another thing is I want to thank all of my subscribers and viewers na kahit na hindi tayo nakapag-upload for more than half a month, patuloy pa rin ang pag-subscribe at panonood ng ating mga videos. Sobrang thank you guys for the 10.9k subscribers. At para naman sa mga bago pa lang dito sa aking channel, we are covering tutorials about online jobs. We are also doing reviews for earning websites and earning applications. Kung interested ka in this type of videos, educational videos, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below. Click mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka kapag may bago tayong video upload. In today's video, I would like to share another opportunity on how we can earn money while just staying at home. So itong i-share ko sa inyo for today, it's ideal for college students, professors, teachers, instructors, or anything na related dun. I will be sharing a website from where you can earn while just staying at your home, using your laptop, your PC, or even your phone. Huwag na nating patagalin guys, let's start the video. Guys, ang company na gusto kong i-share sa inyo is called Course Hero, where you can be a tutor, not just your ordinary tutor, but a text-based or chat-based tutor. So when we say online tutor, ang first thing na pumapasok sa isip natin is video classes or audio classes. So etong si Course Hero, iba siya kasi by just texting or chatting with your students, you can earn while just staying at home. So yun ang maganda kay Course Hero, no videos, no audio, it's pure text or chat. So si Course Hero ay isang online platform wherein pwedeng mag-register yung mga students for their academic needs. Say for example, they have homework or assignments na hindi nila masagutan and they need help with. So pwede silang mag-register with Course Hero for review, for possible answers. Course Hero also hires educator and tutors. Educators, sila yung nag-create ng materials, while the tutors, ito naman yung gusto kong i-focus for today, wherein you can teach through their platform. So, gaya lang ng mga regular online tutoring platforms, mag-register si student, tuturuan siya ni tutor, then tutor gets paid. So, technically, ganun yung magiging role nyo. You will be helping students answer questions, and depende sa difficulty ng question, of course, you will earn your money. What subjects can you teach ba dito kay Course Hero? So, Course Hero, technically, it's not just the English language na ituturo mo. So most of the time, you will be teaching specific courses, specific subjects. There is a wide variety of subjects that you can teach with Course Hero. So yung top 3 na tinuturo ng mga tutors or na mga questions na usually nare-receive ng mga tutors is more on nursing questions, computer science questions, statistics and probability or mathematical questions. According to their website, yun yung top 3 courses or questions na usually nare-receive ng tutors. So what are the perks ba sa pagtuturo mo kay Course Hero? Of course, number 1 is you can earn extra money while just staying at home. Lalo sa panahon ngayon, most of us naghahanap ng pwedeng pagkakitaan habang nasa bahay lang because of the pandemic, di ba? So parang karamihan na sa atin nag-venture to freelancing, to online jobs. So this is an ideal way on how you can earn money habang nasa bahay ka lang. At the same time, unlike any other tutoring platforms, text-based lang siya, so less hassle. Another point is you can work anywhere you want. Like most of the online jobs, you have your own schedule. You can work anytime you want, wherever you want. Hawak mo yung oras mo. You can answer questions on your free time. Of course, aside from those, habang kumikita ka, natutulungan mo din yung mga students. Especially yung mga may difficulties when it comes to answering their subjects or questions on their subjects, assignments, homeworks. Also, since this is a web-based platform, you can use any device you want. So, Technically, for me, I would suggest a laptop or a PC. Kasi mas madaling i-access yung mga tools, lessons, or mas madaling mag-navigate through the website. Pero kung ang meron ka lang is access to a tablet, to an iPad, or to a mobile phone, that's totally fine kasi web-based to. So you can access and answer questions using your phone or any devices na gusto mo. Now, I want to share with you guys what are the commonly asked questions or the FAQs with Course Hero. The number one question na usually in-ask ng mga applicants is, kailangan ba certified tutor or certified professor ka? Do you need a license to be able to teach with Course Hero? The answer is no, guys. So they won't require any license or any certification, pero magre-require sila ng ID or valid credentials na you can teach. Of course, yung ituturo mo kasi dito is professional subjects like math, sciences, nursing, and all that. So may standards pa rin. Kahit na walang license na required or certification, may standards pa rin na tinitignan si Course Hero for the eligibility of applicants. There's one commonly asked question which is, how long ba yung pag-process ng application? So yung application, you can do it in a few minutes. Matatapos nyo siya. Pero yung result, you can expect in 1 to 3 business days. So after 3 days, mag-i-email sa'yo si Course Hero if you are qualified to teach with them. But there are instances, guys, na it's more than 3 business days. Lalo na kung maraming volume of applicants, talagang medyo matatagalan yung pag-check nung HR nila or nung recruitment nila. Kaya sometimes it would take a while. All we need is patience. Wait lang tayo sa feedback regarding the application. Question is, how much you can expect for your salary? So as a text-based tutor with Course Hero, their top tutors earn up to $1,500 US. But of course, that depends on how many questions have you answered. And depende rin yan sa level of difficulty ng question. The more difficult the question is, mas mataas yung rate na makuha mo, of course. But the regular rate for basic or usual questions is $3 per answered question. Also, for payment, they do accept PayPal as a payment method or as a way for you to get your salary. There is a minimum amount for you to withdraw your earnings. So if you have at least $20 on your wallet, you can process your withdrawal. And it usually takes 24 hours for the funds to reflect on your PayPal account. So now, paano ba mag-apply kay Course Hero? For easy access, ililink ko na lang for you below yung page on how to apply. So you can just click on that from the description. There are only 4 steps for you to get hired. Number 1, you need to create your profile with Course Hero. You need to click on create your tutor account. Of course, you will be asked for personal information and all that. Then after that, you will be selecting the subjects that you would like to teach with Course Hero. Of course, piliin mo lang yung mga subject na kaya mo talagang ituro, di ba? Step 3 is to upload your ID and your academic credentials. Then after that, you can submit your application. And all you need to do is to wait for the results from the Course Hero recruitment team. So as easy as that, yung application process nila, fill out the information, provide the necessary documents that they require, and then after that, you only need to wait for the results. Kung isipin nyo, text-based tutor, less hassle, at madali pa yung application process nila. As long as you have the valid credentials to become a tutor with them, you will be hired. Kung interested ka in becoming a tutor with Course Hero, feel free to click the link from the description below and start the application process. I'm hoping you all the best and I hope na makapasa ka kay Course Hero. You can do it. That is all for today, guys. I hope na nakatulong tong video na to, lalo sa mga naghahanap pa ng mga pagkakakitaan habang nasa bahay lang. If you are looking for any other opportunities on how to earn while just staying at home, please check out more videos from my YouTube channel. Visit mo lang, check mo lang yung mga videos. Marami pa tayong videos dyan about ways on how you can earn money while just staying at home. Yun lang muna for today, guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned sa video natin today. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Hit mo na yung subscribe button below at hit mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka naman kapag mag-upload tayo ng next videos. Again, this is Russell, RJ for short. See you again in the next videos, guys. Bye!